Hello, my name is Alejandro Mac Cawley. I'm an associate professor at the Industrial and Systems Engineering Department at Pontificia Universidad Católica de Chile. I'm a professor of undergraduate courses in operations management and research, and in the logistics in the graduate studies. One of the areas I love to teach, it's logistics, and especially the beer game, which was originally developed by MIT. One of the problems I faced when I started playing the beer game with the mats in real life was that it was hard to keep all the levels of all the tiers in the supply chain in the same order. Generally, the retailer went forward, the supplier, the factory was backwards, and it was a mess. Well, pandemic started and I had to use digital games. Those digital games had the benefit that you had complete coordination of the system. But unfortunately, some of the games online had glitches that prevented the experience of being good. Other ones were hard to configure. Other ones were expensive. So it was not a good experience. So I worked along with Game Lab Education, and we decided that we needed to build a good beer game that we called the WineGame. We're from Chile, so welcome to the wine. So we built the WineGame with a view of how we make a really simple game it's very appealing to play for the students, and it's able to convey all the messages and all the experiences that we need to demonstrate the bullwhip effect in supply chains. So we started the development, and we first started by making it as simple as possible to configure the game. How the students can start the game easily and seamlessly and work with that. Okay. Once the students start the game, they face a very enriched graphic interface. It's very nice. They can see all the information. They can see everything moves. And also, the interesting thing is that the game has a pace. It has a time when each turn starts and it ends. And if the students disconnect from the system, there's no problem. A bot will take the system, and all of the players will continue. So you don't have any of the problems that somebody disconnected and the game is not continuing. The game will continue. So all of the players can have a good pace of working. They can see everything, and they can put their decisions. And once this is finished, it comes a very nice and very enriched debriefing room, where you can see all of the players, all of the boards, everything in a very nice way. And you can also see graphs where you can actually view very well the bullwhip effect between all of the different levels and tiers of the supply chain. So it's very nice. It's very visual. So I would really recommend it. Okay, that was not enough, and we wanted also to give more experience to the process, just not the regular bullwhip effect analysis and everything. So you can actually, if you enter into the configuration, you can change some aspects. For example, one of the aspects that generates the bullwhip effect is the lack of communication. Now you can actually enable communication in the system. Everybody can see the orders, and they can see the complete visibility of the supply chain. Okay, we can now analyze that. Secondly, you can say, okay, I want to change the lead times you have from the orders and from the dispatches. You can change that also. You can change also the costs, and also you can change the batching of the orders. And of course, you can also change the demand patterns you're using. That gives you a lot of flexibility, and you can teach your students the effect of information, the effect of lead times, the effect of batching, and other aspects in the supply chain. So it's very nice for courses for undergraduate students or graduate students that you can enrich their experience and their learning through a game. So I would really recommend it. It's easy to handle. There's a lot of feedback, and at least for me, it was very good in the classes. Thank you very much.